Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do this very easy 90s inspired nail set. Alrighty guys, sit back and we'll get right into the video. Alrighty guys, so before we begin, a quick introduction to my new subscribers. My name is Lydia and I'm a self-taught nail tech, and I've been doing nails for right about 2 years, I believe. Yeah, if you like the stuff that I put out, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. And do share with your friends as well, so that they could all see this, and then you can join in the nail gang. Alrighty, so for this set it's really easy. I'm basically doing a like a plain out application, full application of this soft pink. You can use nude, you can use clear, you can use any color that you like. My client wanted pink, so I thought to use pink, or so rather I decided, or I had to use pink instead. Okay, and then yeah, so I'm just going to apply the pink powder on all of the nails, and then we are going to file and do some coloring. I do not show my filing on camera because I'm still trying to figure out my new camera setup here in school, which is like one of the reasons I haven't been posting for a while. I've been in school and I had to like send all of my stuff from home down to school, and then figuring out my camera situation was it took me a little while, and I still haven't gotten it figured out, but I mean I can still put out videos. So the filing aspect of it isn't here in this video because it sort of moves the camera around quite a lot, which is weird. So yeah, please bear with me. If you really would like to see the filing aspect of like my videos, leave a comment below. I try to figure that out. But yeah, you guys, we're doing spot length because my client has to also go back to school, and my school does have a strict policy on long nail sets, or even nails, to be honest. So we're trying to keep it short and still classy at the same time. And yeah, so I'm just going to do this application on all of the nails. I did skip that one nail. I went out of frame, or I think it was shaking too much, like the table was moving too much, so I kind of had to cut that one out. But yeah, I basically just speed through the entire video as well. You know, it's really monotonous. But you guys, just let me know what you think. Let me know the videos you guys would like to see me do. If you'd like, if there's a set you guys would like, let me know in the comment section. I'd really be open towards trying something new. And yeah, I've got like really nice content coming up, or coming up rather. Sorry, I've got like really nice content coming up, so just stay tuned. And that's that, you guys. I'll see you towards the end when I'm about to like do the whole gel application, coloring aspect, or design, nail art rather, when I'm about to do the nail art. Alrighty guys, peace out for this time.
found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Alrighty, so this is what the nails look like after they've been filed. Really, really cute stuff. Yeah, so for the 90s design, it's really easy. You really just want to splash out different colors randomly. That's what I'm doing. I'm just applying randomly, and I'm just going to alternate the colors or alternate the locations of the color as I go. And yeah, and then when I'm done with that, I'm going to see those white, black and the gold color polish rather that I've got on that tray. I'm going to use it to sort of like make out outlines, not exactly outlines but stripes rather, on the nails, just to give it a little bit of details and a little bit of depth in the design. Like, you guys know how the 90s nail sets usually are, but even like the trend, the fashion as at then, it was really colorful and really like loud. No, I won't say loud, but it was really colorful. So that's just what we're trying to do. Basically just alternating and splashing colors around. I haven't done a video in a few months, and it feels like I'm starting to do, like, I feels like I'm doing it for the first time. I almost suck at doing voiceovers, you guys. And I have no idea why. This is so weird, but hopefully in the next video my voiceover skills will get better. I am 100% confident. Maybe not 100%, 99.9 confident. Yeah, but I really want to also include different things in this channel as well. Maybe like story time instead of like this whole explanation of what I'm doing, except when I really have to. Yeah, so I think I'll try to include story time and all of that as well. And I do have a challenge that I joined coming in for my voiceover being in pigeon. That would be on my next video, you guys. It's something to look forward to, especially because I almost do suck at speaking pigeon English. So it's going to be it's really going to be something to look forward to. But yeah, you guys would notice that every time I'm done applying my polish, I like to clean up on the side of my nails, and that just helps to keep the nails clean, and also to keep the shape in shape. So yeah, like I said, I'm just using my long liner brush to outline, like just randomly to make out stripes on the nails, and you could almost see that it immediately gives the nails or the design a little bit of depth, and how do I say it, it almost brings the design to life. And then I'm going to go in and, okay, sorry, remember to cure in the lamp with every design that you do, so you don't smudge it, except if you're like really your client is really going to stay still. You can flash cure. You can flash cure in the lamp. That would help. Yeah, but I'm basically just making dots on the lines, not exactly on the lines, just below the stripes, to, yeah, then again give it some depth. And I'm using a very small like outline brush as well to do this. You can use a dotting tool. It doesn't really matter as long as you get the design that you want. And then again, I'm going to go in with the gold glitter color. The gold glitter color doesn't exactly show, like it's a little hard to see when I do it on camera, but as when I'm done, like when I do like the final review, you sort of see the reason why it's there, and like why, or what it does to the nail. Yeah, so yeah, you guys, we're just going to do all of this, and then I cure in the lamp. and then I apply top coat, and you see the final review, you guys. Yeah.
Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. Ooh. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow,
Alrighty guys, so this is the final result. It looks amazing. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.